not nearly drunk enough for this.
For what? Anything.
This is like...
Let's try harder.
We have sea is a super have to all the world.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like.
Don't blush.
Good. No problem. How's it going? Alright.
Keep going.
Right. See you later, guys. Yeah, really nice family, but highly recommend that place if you want a beautiful location right next to the river with a super friendly family. Really good place. So what we're going to do now, we are heading north up to the Sirikit Lake, drive around there, and then apparently we've got to get a ferry. A very small ferry crossing, but yeah, interesting. Right, this is when disaster happens. So it looks like the chain has come off. So this is the start of the end. It's not going to be long and I'm going to have bigger problems. So we need to get to civilization and get to civilization quick, because this is going to start happening a lot. The chain back on, but look at that. Slowly, we're gonna just slowly cruise. You know, we've still got maybe about an hour left around these twisty roads to get to the nearest town. We might find a little mechanic on the way, just some place we can stop to borrow some tools. This is what we needed, a little mechanic. Alright, hi guys, hi. Thank you, cup of my cup. Alright, let's see how this goes. And we have finally made it to the lake. Oh. Let's have a look. There's a little ferry. Okay. Oh. Let's get off the boat. Oh. Right, so the plan is now, we've got possibly a hour 45, 2 hours ride to the next big town / city called Nan. But what we really want to do now is find ourselves a hardware shop, get ourselves a big wrench before we continue doing any more real off a beaten track kind of stuff. found a little hardware shop on the way to Nan, so we thought let's give it a go and see if we can get a wrench. Let's have a look. 70 cap. So we've got the big wrenches, and we've also got a massive okay cap. My old cap. Cap on my cap on. Right, so I just stopped off for about half an hour trying to sort this chain out. So a lot tighter up the bottom, but so much slack at the top. So we tried everything. Let's see how it goes. Just at the outskirts of Nam.
Destination is on the right.
That's us. Home sweet home. Showered, got everything charging, ready for tomorrow, so I think it's time to head out and check out Nan. The only place we could find to eat was the hotel, and unfortunately we are left with the worst music possible.
I'm not nearly drunk enough for this. So what's this one? Bamboo.
What did you get?
So
Spicy something cakes.
These are shrimp cakes.
It's cold. But it tastes nice.
Cold. Tasty but cold. Shrimp cakes.
Sweet chili, I guess. It's hot.
This is quite good. Texture-wise, tastes a bit like rubber. But I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
The texture's okay, but it tastes like rubber. I'm not sure it's got much flavour at all. And the texture's not amazing.
That's why I need this sauce. So far I've got to make the food is not making up for the music. Like a bamboo. Let's see if it's a winner. Let's see if it was worth it.
Yep, it's a decent back about. It's not the most amazing I've ever had, but it's decent.
Would you come in here again to eat that if you had to listen to this?
I'd never eat anything to listen to this.
It's fried chicken with green curry paste.
Okay.
It is nice. It's got a little bit of heat, a little bit of spice, not a lot. Don't ever come here. It's not worth it. The music, no. Terrible.